everyone, welcome to our Microsoft Power Apps course. I'm Cynthia, and I'll be your instructor for this class. In this course, we'll be covering everything you need to know about creating powerful and intuitive applications using Microsoft Power Apps. From getting started and signing in, to using an Excel data source and creating your first app, we've got you covered. We'll start by getting you familiarized with the dashboard and showing you how to connect to different data sources. We'll then walk you through the process of creating your first app, including an overview of the app, tree view, editing properties, inserting a new item, and inserting a new screen. We'll also cover how to use different actions and explore additional options available to you. Once you've created your app, we'll show you how to save and distribute it and how to download it onto your mobile device. By the end of this course, you'll have a basic understanding of Microsoft Power Apps and be able to start creating your own apps with your own data. So, if you're ready to get started, let's dive in.